Is your buyer really a buyer? Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com sharing a quick little story about this property owner who had the property under contract with what they thought was a cash buyer. They had it tied up for 30 days, then 60 days. And they came back again wanting an extension for 90 days to close a relatively simple transaction. Why did they need this new extension? Well, the buyer hadn't completed any due diligence. There were trees on the property. The lot needed to be split. There were a number of other issues that just needed to be confirmed. Simple things that our builders do quickly because they're the ones actually buying the property. I do some quick preliminary due diligence before you get an offer, and then you know that our trusted builder partners are going to quickly do what needs to be done to confirm that they can build what they can expect to build on the property. So, if you're having trouble with a cash buyer who can't seem to close the deal, give me a call. My name's Rob Wilson. I'm the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty. I want to bring you a cash offer direct from a South Tampa builder where they're going to pay all the closing costs, all the commissions. You don't have to worry about repairs. And if you leave a few things behind, that's no big deal either. You can call me. I'm at 813-784-4199, or you can request your offer at SouthTampaTeardowns.com.